So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for the freshers and lots of internship advice for some. If you have some experience too, then this is important video. First important opportunity from the Deloitte. They have announced the hiring for the role of associate analyst VFS, and this is the freshers hiring, and your domain will be financial operations Hyderabad. So what will you do? You will basically working as associate and you will maintain a compliance with client policy and all those stuff. So you can just go through complete job link in the description. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, who are eligible for this. So from the BCom, MCom and MBA finance degree students are eligible. So freshers are eligible. You can clearly say 0 to 1 year of relevant experience in finance. If you have, then this is good. Otherwise freshers are also eligible, and you should have strong written and communication skill. So work timing will be 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Coming to next important opportunity, they are hiring for the role of SD intern front end. Okay, and this is also wonderful opportunity. So if you are from CS under background, then you can apply for this. Next important opportunity from the inflect, they are hiring for the role of SD internship backend, and again freshers can apply, and especially I will suggest 2026 2027 you should apply for this internship. This is a great role, you should apply for this. Okay, so you will basically work on Django, Python, and other framework, and this will basically give a strong boost to your resume. And this will be your roles and responsibility. You can go through it. So you will basically responsible for Python-based application development, improvement of product, collaboration on product management, and all those stuff. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Cushman and Wakefield. They are hiring for the role of financial strategy analyst, and this is also a kind of business means banking sectors. Okay, so you should be have bachelor's degree or master degree is a plus. So if you are from any background, then you can apply because they haven't mentioned any specific background. So if you are interested in commercial and banking sector, then this is a wonderful opportunity. You can apply for this. Friends, for getting such important update, you can just subscribe us. We have already completed the TCS NQT coding series, and those who have exam further, best of luck to all of you. Just focus on the preparation and believe on your preparation. You will be get selected. Okay. Moving to next important opportunity, which I already provided update, that is related to BCG. They are hiring for the role of analyst Geo India X delivery. So you can just go through complete link and description, and for this you should have some experience. Means 2024 can apply if you have some knowledge. Next important opportunity, that is for the freshers. They are hiring for the role of software engineering intern, and company name is akaar AI. So you will basically work on AI projects and all those things. So if you are the recent graduates or if you have some experience, then all are legal. So final year students or recent graduates can apply, and make sure to update the resume according to the job link. Okay. Next important opportunity, that is for the freshers hiring, and this is a remote opportunity. So if you want to work from home, and then Global Logic providing you opportunity, and your role will be associate analyst, and freshers are eligible for this. So you will work for 3 month contract, and there is a strong chance of conversion to PPO. Okay, so their career in AI industry, non-technical, non-IT, and training will be provided. Okay, so this you can go through this. Okay, next important opportunity, that is from the IIT Jammu. So I will make a dedicated video related to internship. Okay, so they are hiring for the training and internship program, and you will get a lots of exposure. So this have 4 to 6 weeks of internship. So especially 2026 2027 you can apply. Okay. Friends, if you haven't selected for any interview, want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. We will provide you dedicated and complete guidance, which will help you to clear the interview. We have already provided lots of selection in Cognizant, TCS, and the Deloitte too. Okay, so if you are interested, you can fill. Next important opportunity, that is for the role of IT support intern. So they are looking the intern for the role of video editor, graphic designer, front end, back end, UX. So if you are interested, you can just share your resume to this mail ID or to WhatsApp them. Make sure to apply or send your resume as soon as possible, because anytime if the vacancy got filled, then you will not get chance. Okay. Next important opportunity from the Bank of America. They are hiring for the role of analyst, associate, corporate banking subsidiaries, Delhi, and skills. These are the skills you will require. So if you have some experience and some knowledge, or if you are interested, then I suggest just apply this. Remember, friends, again saying don't completely depend on your college. Keep applying for off-campus drives too. Okay, students are those who apply related to IBM. So I have provided you update related to IBM hiring, and those who have basically applied, they are getting the reward. IBM job offer joining date. So make sure to apply. You don't know where you will get reward or where you will get chance. Just keep applying, keep a hope, and keep learning too. Okay, next important opportunity, they are hiring for the freshers, and if you are interested in AI and IT sales, then Davix of Technology, they are hiring So this will be your roles and responsibility. You can go through it. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next, that is from the Focus AI. They are also hiring the software development intern, and we'll work on Python, LLMs, and all those stuff. So if you're interested, again, you can share your resume to this. Coming to last important opportunity, that is from the hire. We have already provided this, that is they are hiring for technology intern, and still application is open, so you can apply. And this is last important opportunity from the Sinster. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, data engineering, and this is a remote job, so you can do work from home, and this will be your tech skills required. So friend, I hope this video is informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. And again, support us. Your support is important. You can join WhatsApp or Telegram group for getting notes and free preparation material. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.